In today's lecture, we are going to work on fetching our update password API. For that, I will open user slice, minimize this, I will copy this entire function and below this I will be pasting. For this, I will change the function name. I will write update password. Here also, action type, I will be passing update password. What data I have to accept? I have to accept 3 input field data and all that data I have assigned to my form. So here I will be passing form data. You can also pass user data, but for simplicity, I will be passing form data. Now in place of this multi-part form data, what we will be passing? We will be passing application JSON. If you are uploading any image or something, then in that case, you can pass multi-form form data. But for this, if you are not uploading any image, then you do not have to pass that content type. Let me come to user routes. Here also, for updating password, we have pass post. So what we will do, we will be changing to put. Now come to user slice, let it be put. And inside this, we have to pass this exact same route. I will copy and inside this I will be pasting. Okay, whenever we are creating something or whenever we are creating some new data, we will be using post request. But if we are updating something, we can either use patch request or we can use put request. In this project, we will be using put. Maybe while implementing backend, we have passed post, but now simply pass put. Then in place of user data, I'm just going to pass form data. And finally, I will be returning data and then I am having this catch block. Now let me open user controller, scroll down, let me come to user routes. I'm just going to open this function. Here we are having update password and inside this response, what all data we will have? We will have success, we will have user and we will have token value. Now let me come to user slice, copy all these cases. Below this, I will be pasting and here I will write update user password. Inside this, I will be passing update password, copy, paste and paste. State.loading, okay. State.error, okay, fine. We don't have to change anything. For this fulfilled, we will change loading to false, error to null. We do not need user and also we do not need this message. Okay, because we are not passing any message in the response, so simply we are going to remove that message. If you want to pass message in the backend, then you can simply pass message, but while implementing we have not passed, so I'm just going to remove. And then finally we are having success, so that success I'm just going to access from payload. While updating error, we are not having any message property, I'm just going to remove. And inside this, I will be writing password update failed. Now copy this entire same message and inside this, I'm just going to paste. And here also, we are not having message property. So I will be removing this object. And also, I'm just going to remove this message. So if I am not having any error message, then whatever error message I have given here, successfully, I will be able to display that message. So in this way, we will be updating all the cases for this API function.